Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. We are going to do question number 10 of exercise 8.2. The question is find the equation of the median and altitude of the triangle with the vertices A, B, and C. A median is the line segment which join the midpoint of the given segment to its opposite vertex. So first of all, we have to find the median. For the median, we have to find the first of all midpoint of three sides A, B, B, C, and C, A. So find the midpoint of sides of triangle. Midpoint of BC, the coordinates of B and C are going to be used. Formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So it will become 4 minus 2 over 2 and 6 minus 2 over 2. It is 1 and 4. Then midpoint of AC, that is 0 minus 2 over 2 and 4 minus 2 over 2. It is minus 1 and 1. Then the midpoint of AB, that is 0 plus 4 over 2 and 4 plus 6 over 2. So it is 2 and 5. Now the equation of the median. We have to find the slope of the sides. Slope of the side is from A to midpoint of BC. Coordinates of A are 0, 4 and the coordinates of midpoint of BC is 1, 2. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. By putting the values we have got minus 2. Then the equation of the median from A to midpoint of BC is y minus y1 over is equal to mx minus x1. We are going to find the median from point A. That's why we have to use the coordinates of A as x1 and y1. So by putting values, we have got y minus 4 equal to minus 2x, and after bringing all the values on the left side, we have got 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. It is our required equation of the first median from A to BC, from A to midpoint of BC. Now for the median of B and the midpoint of AC, the slope, we have to use the B and the midpoint of AC, that is x1 and y1. Formula used is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It will become 1 minus 6 over 1 minus 1 minus 4. That is, so our required answer is 1. Equation of the median of B to midpoint of AC. So the point used is 4, 6. Formula is y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. By putting the values, we have got y minus 6 equal to x minus 4. Bring all the way left side, we have got y minus y, x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Now the third median from C to midpoint of AB. First of all, we have to find the slope of this line. Coordinates of C are minus 2, and the midpoint of AB is 2 and 5. So formula uses y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. By putting the values, we have got 7 by 4. Now the equation from the point C minus 2 and minus 2. Formula use y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. So by putting the values, we have got 2y plus 8 equals 7x plus 14. Bring all them in left side, we have got 7x minus 2y plus 6 equals. So the required equations are 2x plus y minus 4 equals 0, x minus y plus 2 equals 0, and the third is 7x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Now next question, now part of the same question, equation for the altitude. For the altitude, you have to uh, take the reciprocal, reciprocal of the slopes. So first of all, we have to find the slope of BC. Coordinates of B and C are given. So the slope of BC is 4 by 3. Altitude slope of the altitude will have negative reciprocal, so it will become minus 4 over 3. Now the equation of the reciprocal from A to BC will points of A will be used. Formula is y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. So it will become 3x plus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. Now next altitude from B to AC. Slope of AC is coordinates of A 0, 4, C is minus 4 minus 2. It will become 3. Slope of the altitude minus 1 by 3 because you have to take the negative reciprocal. Equation of the altitude from B to AC. You have to take the points of B, that is y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. By solution, we have got x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0. Now the next altitude from C to AB. Slope of AB, first of all, you have to find that is 1 by 2. Then the equation from altitude from C to AB, and the slope will be minus 2. So formula uses y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. By putting the values, we have got 2x plus y plus 2 plus 4 equals 0. So the equation is 2x plus y plus 6 equals 0. So the required equation of the altitude are 3x plus 4y minus 16 equals 0, x plus 3y minus 22 equals 0, 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. Now question number 11. Equation is given and we have to reduce it to the different forms. Equation part 1 is given 6x plus 8y minus 11 equals 0. First form is slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So equation given is 6x plus 8y minus 11 equals 0. So we have to change the side. It will become uh, plus 11. So it will become y is equal to minus 4x minus 4 minus 3 over 4x minus will change to plus 11 over 8. Now two intercept form is 6x plus 8y minus 11. So we have to change the side of 11, it will become plus 11. So we have to divide both sides by 11, because you can see on the right side of the two intercept form is 1. So we have to make 1 on the right side. That's why we have to divide it both sides by 11. So it will become 6 over 11x plus 8y over 11 is equal to 1. 6 over 11 is multiplying with x. It will go in denominator. It will become 11 over 6, because in this form we have x in numerator. So it is your required answer for the two intercept form. Part 3, point slope form. Point slope form is y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Equation given is this one. We have calculated its slope, that is minus 3 by 4, and c is 18, that is called 11 over 8, that is y-intercept. X1 y1 is it is y-intercept, that will be y, and x will be 0. So by putting these values in the formula, we have got y minus 11 over 8 is equal to minus 3 by 4 x minus 0. It is the required form of the equation. 2 point form. 2 points mean this formula y minus y1 over y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. Equation is given. We have to change the side with constant number, and then it will become x over 11 over 6, y over 11 over 8 equal to 1. X1 y1 is 0 and 11 over 8, because y-intercept is 11 over 8, then y is 11 over 8, then x is 0. And if x-intercept is 11 over 6, then y is 0. So these are two point coordinates, and by putting these values in the equation, we have got y minus 11 over 8, 0 minus 11 over 8, x minus 0, 11 over 6 minus 0. It is your required answer. Then normal form formula is x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to p. Equation given is this one. A is 6, B is 8, and C is 11 minus 11. So by formula we can find the perpendicular 6, base is 8. We can find the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem, that is 10. Now we have to divide both sides by 10. It will become 6 over 10x, 8 over 10 y equal to 11 over 10. Simplifying, we have got x 3 5 y 4 over 5 equal to 11 over 10. It is the required form of the equation. Then symmetric form, uh, mass slope is denoted by m, that is minus tan theta, is equal to tan theta, that is tan theta is minus a over b. Minus a over b, it will become minus 6 over 8, it will become minus 3 by 4. Sin theta will become uh, perpendicular hypotenuse, that is 6 over 10. Simplifying, we have got 3 over 5. cos theta 4 over 5. A point on the line is y-intercept minus c over b. X1, y1 is 0 and minus 8 over minus 11 over 8. By putting these values in the equation, we have got x minus 0, 4 over 5, and y plus 11 over 8 over 3 over 5. So part B is your homework. You can do it yourself by using this.